Okay. So X-Wing is a startup based in San Francisco. We're venture funded, and we're working to enable autonomous transportation. Our technology will enable aircraft, small aircraft, general aviation aircraft, helicopters, as well as larger cargo UAVs to fly without a need for a human pilot. By working on the perception side of things, higher level reasoning, as well as integrating with controls of different types of aircraft, we take on more and more responsibilities that are currently run by human pilots. We work with OEMs, partners, so manufacturers of different kinds of aircraft, to integrate our layer on different types of vehicles. We're interested in hiring primarily software engineers. A lot of our work is around the software side of things. And so all sorts of specialties are welcome. We are especially interested in finding people who are passionate about the incoming disruption in the transportation space, who are excited about autonomy, and come reach out to us if you're excited in taking part in this journey.
Yeah, so I'm Shay, I work at Ripple. I'm a recruiter and I hire new grads, interns, as well as full-time employees. Essentially what Ripple is, we're an enterprise software company. We enable banks, payment providers, other organizations to send money instantly, internationally. So instead of the 5 to 10 days it might take to send money from one country to another, it now takes less than 5 seconds. Why it's awesome to work at Ripple is every project we give interns is real. It goes right into our code base or into our customers' hands or internal customers. You'll get to work on a variety of things that are challenging, exciting, and we give interns a lot of leeway to try different things and learn as much as they can in 10 to 12 weeks.
Hi, my name is Jackie. I work for Fountain. We're a Series A startup in San Francisco. What we provide is an automated hiring software that's specifically designed for hiring hourly positions. So that could be anything from delivery drivers to retail employees. And that is because we are using things like high-level machine learning, text messaging with candidates, automated scheduling, all in order to help companies fill positions quicker with better people. So that's what we do. We like to have a lot of fun. We're very proud of our product and what we do here. We're just over 40 employees now and growing super quickly. We like to do things like we go after hours happy hours to celebrate events. We also like to do activities like play soccer. We have a league that we're in. We also go snowboarding on our outings, as well as recently we went whitewater rafting. So definitely like to also mix in a lot of fun with work. So that's who we are. Really great to meet you. Love to have some people from UC Berkeley join our team. Thank you.
I'm Anthony. I work at Orbital Insight. We are a startup based in Palo Alto. So essentially our mission is to understand what is happening to and on the Earth. And the way we do this is mainly we train computer vision algorithms to analyze satellite images of the Earth. And in doing this, we collect vast volumes of satellite imagery to take in essentially a giant array of images across time. And we analyze these using computers, not humans, so we can extract a lot more information in a problem space which is basically intractable for humans. It's just way too much imagery to look at. So why I think it's cool to work here is I think there are a ton of applications that we potentially work on. Basically anything physically observable on the Earth. That's the space we're in. We're trying to create objective truth for people and create analytics that can be helpful for policymakers, decision makers, research firms, etc. So I think really to me what's really compelling about the company, both from like a tech perspective and just an application perspective, is that I think you get to be experienced to a vast sort of space. You get to work with all sorts of different functional teams. So personally I get to work with the computer vision team a lot. I get to work with data scientists. I get to work with even the product teams a lot. And I think it's pretty unique for a startup and for tech companies in general. You don't really get to work with anyone except software engineers if you're a software engineer. I think here you get to be exposed to a very broad set of people with very different skill sets and solving very cool problems. I think basically on the cutting edge of machine learning, computer vision, cloud computing, and satellite imagery. Yeah, so come work for us if you're watching.
Awesome. Hey everyone, my name is Karosh, one of the founders of Ping. We're a UC Berkeley founded startup. So I actually did my undergrad here as well as grad school. And when I was 21, I met our CEO and my best friend at Delta Chi in Berkeley. So a lot of Cal love. In 2017, our company was in Skydeck as part of the fall and spring cohorts. And we've run some really successful internship programs where we've hired people full-time after they've graduated. So we have a lot of Cal Bears on the team. You're probably wondering what Ping is. We're building enterprise software. We're automating timekeeping for the largest law firms in the world. And so the life of a lawyer, they have to track every single thing they do in small 6-minute increments. And imagine playing basketball and every time you hit a shot, you have to run to the sidelines, update the scoreboard by hand, and then run back in the game. And that's the life of lawyers, consultants, accountants, any professional who's billing by the hour. They have to deal with this problem. So we built an AI timekeeping solution, plugs into all the systems they're using, their phone system, their email system, Microsoft Office, and we can track the work to the second, and we use machine learning to contextualize that, to then describe it back and create the most accurate timesheet in the world. We're backed by the #1 seed fund in the world, first round capital. They look at 6,000 companies a year and invest in about 15. And so we have a really good support system. We'd love to have you come interview with us. We're growing our engineering team as well as our ML and data science teams. We're based in Union Square in San Francisco. Karosh at timebyping.com. Thanks, bye-bye.
So I'm with Cohesity. We work on a hyper-converged storage solution that basically does a lot of different things under one roof. Don't know if you know much about the backup space, but primarily, you have to deal with the data platform itself. You have data protection recovery. You have to worry about security, virtualization, cloud integration. We do all that under one roof. For what we're doing at Cohesity right now, right? We have several teams that work primarily with the data protection and recovery team. Those people work primarily with C++, and we are looking heavily for like operating systems, distributed systems types of classes, as there's a lot of multi-threading going on, that type of work that we do. Our data platform team is heavy C++ as well, cloud integration, all C++. We actually do have a data analytics team as well. We call that Helios. It was recently introduced. What makes us cool is the fact that, I don't know much about the data center itself, but usually a lot of information is going on in the background. Our Helios platform can actually capture all that. And we use machine learning and data science to kind of figure out what this data means and actually help companies figure out ahead of time, hey, your system might be coming down, so we're actually able to come up with those type of algorithms. And for those people, we need like machine learning. We do use primarily programming Go. We also have a similar dashboard that does front-end development as well, so JavaScript, Angular. But primarily, we're very fast-moving. We recently reached Series D. Mohit Aaron, a lot of people consider him one of the founding engineers of Google's file systems, is an amazing person, super down to earth, super smart. I mean, you're going to start seeing a lot of him very soon. But we're a very cool company. Things move very fast. You learn a lot when you come work with us, and we're pretty fun overall too. So come check us out. Our website is cohesity.com.
Hi, my name is Sumat Sridharan. I'm the CEO of Homelight. I'm also a 97 Cal grad with an EECS degree, so thrilled to be here. So let me tell you a little bit about Homelight. So Homelight is the leading marketplace for connecting home sellers with agents. We today have over 2 million agents on our platform, and we have millions of people who come to our website every month looking to sell their home. What makes us unique is we have aggregated over 40 million transactions in our database, and when someone comes to sell their home on Homelight, we match them with the right agent for them based on their data and the criteria that best fits their needs. What else can I say? Homelight was started in 2012. We have 100 employees across San Francisco, Phoenix, Arizona, and Seattle, Washington. We we will list over $6 billion in homes this year. And can I say some stuff about Cal, or what else?
I think that should be enough. If you want to say like about your work culture or whatever, that's good too.
Work culture, okay. We in San Francisco we have marketing, engineering, and product teams. So our work culture is like most startups. We work really hard, but we have a lot of fun. Our core family value is work hard, ski hard, and that's because our CEO loves to ski. And but what we really mean by that corporate value is we want people who not only like to work hard, but also want to follow their passion. So people that do well at HomeLight are balanced. They want to achieve our mission, which is to help everyone in the U.S. to sell their home efficiently and get a great outcome, but also enjoy kind of the family culture that we have here at the company. Great.
Hi, I'm Arlo Faria. I'm the founder of Remeeting. Remeeting, we're a small team. We're about 10 folks right here in Berkeley. We're a spin-off from a research group at the International Computer Science Institute in Berkeley, where we worked on automatic speech recognition, which is the process of taking audio signals and converting them to text. So we're building an application for meetings. It's a web conference app that you can record your meetings, get a transcript of them, and then make it searchable. We also have a platform. It's an API that other developers use, so they can build their products and companies integrating our speech recognition. And we're funded by Google, which has an active interest in early stage AI companies and has given us a lot of support in terms of both people and data and stuff like that. And we're looking for all sorts of positions, mainly back-end engineering. Internships are available to folks who've taken sort of the CS curriculum at Berkeley. And we tend to hire mostly kids from Cal, so folks who have graduated from Cal and stay local here in Berkeley. If you're interested in Remeeting, check it out. Shoot me an email. I'm arlo@remeeting.com, and we'd love to hear from you.
At Newsbreak, we believe in making the world a better place by helping people find and share the stories that really matters. So we want to use the latest AI technology to create a simpler and smarter way to help people engage with digital contents. So our mission is we want to empower all the medium and the small publishers to deliver all the long-tail contents, of course through AI technology. And we also want to enlighten our users by satisfying their niche interests and discovering more interests. So about our success, now we have millions of users using our app every day, and we are the #1 news app on Google Play and top 3 on App Store. So since we are growing very fast, we need a lot of talents about engineering, designing, and product management. So welcome to us, and thank you.
My name is Kevin. I work for a company called Stanza. What we do is calendar and event management. So that includes pulling calendar data from various sources and giving users the ability to sync those calendars to their own calendars. It's really great because it's cross-platform, so Google Calendar, Outlook, various other calendars, you can sync these events to your calendar. We also check for updates every night, so if there's an event that's important to you that has changed, it will automatically be updated on your calendar. We also offer ad revenue services for partners to be able to leverage our calendars to be able to help supplement their income for up and coming companies. In terms of why you would want to work here, I think there's a lot of avenues for you to explore. So this could be anywhere from ad tech, sales, marketing, lots of options. in terms of the engineering side of things, we always try to work with the latest technologies. You won't be working on outdated technologies, anything like that. It's a really great working environment. We're still a small team, but we're all very close. We work very well, and with each other on a daily basis. And it's a really great opportunity for you to wear multiple hats. So you have a chance to touch a little bit of everything and gain a lot of experience in a lot of different things on a daily basis.
Hi, my name is Kishan, and I'm a software engineer for Better. So Better is a health insurance tech company where we help patients file their out-of-network claims. So there's a reimbursement process that many people don't know about, in which that you can get money back for your out-of-network healthcare. So therapy, psychotherapy, physical therapy, chiropractor care, all can be reimbursed through this process. But unfortunately, it's a manual process, and if you're not a health insurance pro, it's pretty hard to understand. As most Americans know, our health insurance system is incredibly flawed and leaves an entire paper trail that is really hard to follow for the average patient. 1 in 4 Americans struggle with medical debt yearly, and it's an incredible problem, and at Better, we hope to solve this problem. So we empower our patient advocates with a toolkit that engineers design to help automate this process. So as an engineer at Better, you'll help build the tools that help the entire company move swiftly and smoothly and help this process be more efficient for not only ourselves, but for the patients that we serve. We also help providers get patients, or we also give providers the opportunity to serve patients that they otherwise wouldn't with a standard cash practice care. So at Better, we're helping not only patients, but also providers.
Hi, so I'm Caitlin Perez. I do recruitment with Evidation Health. We are a health measurement company leveraging data and technology in partnership with individuals as well as companies in the healthcare space, and trying to understand the interaction between our daily behaviors and health. So by daily behaviors, I mean the way that we interact with our phone, the data that comes from things like wearables, as well as all the other devices that we're interacting with all the time. So the company partners both with individuals as well as companies to do this. So the first is we have an app called Achievement, and on Achievement, members can link up any kind of wearable and track their activity. And as you do that, you build up points and get cash rewards for your activity. And then we'll also connect members with opportunities to participate in health research. We also work with healthcare companies, pharmaceutical companies, and anyone in the healthcare space who's interested in doing research. And to do that, we conduct virtual health research. So rather than your traditional model where a patient has to go into a doctor's office, instead you can do so through our platform and through connected devices. So yeah, we're hiring for a lot of different roles, interns as well as full-time roles, lots on our engineering teams, mobile development, full stack development, as well as data science, and then also across product management, design, and kind of a lot of different departments in the company. So it's a great place to work. We're kind of on the cutting edge of this technology and the change of really involving all of our everyday behaviors in our health. So we would love to have you join. We have offices here in the Bay Area as well as down in Santa Barbara, and we'd love to talk with you. Thanks so much.
Hi, I'm Camilla Herman. I'm on the operations team at the Human Diagnosis Project, and we are building the world's first open medical intelligence system. We're combining the collective intelligence of physicians with AI to map the steps to health for any patient anywhere in the world. And we found that that combination of collective intelligence and AI can actually outperform 90% of physicians. So our goal is to really provide augmented intelligence to support healthcare professionals in delivering the highest quality care possible. And that's why you should come work for us. Okay.
Hi, I'm Patricia. I'm working at Figma. We are a web-based design tool. We are revolutionizing the world of design, all being on the web. Things that we are looking for this coming or next year, internships and new grads within software engineering. What's really great about working at Figma is the people. The culture is amazing. We're very supportive. Very great learning environment. And yeah, if creativity and
and design is interesting and passionate for you, it was definitely the place.
Hello everyone, this is Sandeep, working as a software developer at IoTM. IoTM is a 3-year-old startup and is headquartered at Bay Area. So we provide a managed secure network infrastructure for industrial IoT. Basically, we designed a solution in such a way that it is reliable, scalable, and easy to deploy and manage and connect the industry devices to the cloud applications. And this helps to transfer the data over the network securely. Coming to my experience at IoTM, this is my first year and I'm very excited to be the part of this great journey. The best part that IoTM gave me an opportunity to explore and expand my boundaries. So that helps me a lot. So any other things? Okay, yeah. The good news is we are hiring and we are looking for people who are eager, passionate, and ready to solve the real world challenges for industrial IoT. So come on, join us and be the part of the future. Thank you.
I'm Natalie. I'm a data scientist at Hoodline, and Hoodline is a unique startup that is seeking to automate local news to try to save the local news industry, because local newspapers around the country are struggling and closing up shop, and there's a lot of local information, local stories that aren't being told. So we're taking large data sets and transforming them into auto-generated stories using data science, machine learning, and data journalists to construct stories template-based stories that can be told around the country. And we distribute these to a wide range of publishing partners, ABC, CBS, MSN sites around the country. We have a diverse group of data scientists, machine learning engineers, and all the rest of the engineering roles, as well as data journalists and business roles kind of working together to make this happen. We're a little 25-person shop in the Mission in San Francisco. We're looking for full-time and internship data scientists, full stack engineers, front-end and back-end, as well as project management roles. So come join us and work on this exciting, challenging mission to try to save the local news industry.
My name is Corey Williams. I work at Zumper, where I'm the senior recruiter. What we do at Zumper is we are making it as easy as possible for renters to rent an apartment, and on the other side of things, make it easier for the landlords and property managers to manage the process. The way we do that is by being a one-stop shop from when you start to search for an apartment to the very end, and everything in between, such as finding the place you want to move into, connecting with the landlord or property manager to do the open house or to do a private tour, to signing your lease and doing the background check prior to signing your lease via Experian, which is already built into our app. Eventually, we're going to have it to where you can sign your lease within Zumper's app, pay your bills, and pretty much everything that has to do with your communication with the landlord, so that you can do everything within our platform. And that's pretty much it.
I'm Dion Nicholas, CEO and co-founder of Forethought Technologies. We're building an AI that can do information retrieval embedded into employee workflows. So we started Forethought with a mission to enable everyone to become a genius at their job. The average knowledge worker wastes over 38% of their day just trying to access information to do their job at work. Not only is that a massive number, but it's actually gotten worse over time. So we built an AI that can index company information wherever that lives, whether that's your Zendesk, your Google Drive, or Dropbox, etc., and deliver information to employees before they even ask for it. We're starting in customer support by helping customer support agents answer questions up to 30% more efficiently by delivering suggested answers and resources using our underlying NLP engine to them. And we're branching out to other workflows such as sales, IT, HR, engineering, and kind of going from there. I don't know if you've heard a lot about Forethought, but we were founded a year ago, recently launched out of stealth in September at TechCrunch Disrupt. We were the winners of the TechCrunch Disrupt Startup Battlefield, which was like pretty fun and pretty cool. And so we've just, we're currently 8 people as of filming this video, and we're growing really fast, so looking to hire engineers and back-end front end, we are solving a ton of cutting-edge natural language processing and machine learning problems. So as well, if you're interested in machine learning and data science, definitely come talk to us. You can register, hit us up on our website, www.forethought.ai, hit the careers tab, or find us on AngelList or anywhere else. And we look forward to having a bunch of smart students on board. Thanks.
Thanks so much.